statue at the city pool, put there to make the street people drool, put there to make the council look cool, piss off the card holders, match to the American flag, and make a politician wanna lie down and brag. Better circle the wagons for the coming of the revolution. And it's right over there where you left it. You can get some of it back if you try. Some of that love, and some of that sky, some of that will, some of that time. Put a nickel in the time machine. 15 minutes and we'll meet again. If you remember who I was back then, I'll be